Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and comment on the video. If you're ready, let's go to the video. Malnutrition is at the top of the list of diseases that have been on the rise recently. However, alternative medicine experts strongly recommend mixing the necessary natural nutrients in addition to adequate nutrition. Especially the nutrients taken during the resting hours of the body have more effect on the body. Experts reminded that the mixture of honey and baking soda quickly regenerates the cells. There are many natural mixtures in alternative medicine. The most effective of these is a mixture of honey and baking soda. In addition to alternative medicine, it was found that the mixture of honey and baking soda, on which scientists also work on, rapidly regenerates deformed cells. Experts explain that especially when a spoonful of this mixture is consumed before going to bed at night, and this is done regularly every night, it provides incredible benefits to the body. Scientists gave information about the effect of honey mixed with baking soda powder on cells in the research. Deformed cells absorb sugar from the body as they turn into cancerous cells. Although the honey in the mixture is attractive to the cells, the solvent effect of baking soda causes the cancerous cells to disappear. Benefits of honey and baking soda mixture. When consumed before going to bed at night, it provides a fast sleep state. It also ensures that there are no sleep interruptions at night. It helps to clean the lungs as it has a strong infection remover effect. It helps a comfortable breathing by opening the air bubbles of the lungs overnight. It is an effective natural remedy to prevent throat infections. The mixture of honey and baking soda does not contain any deformed cell structure in the body and renews them all. It balances the sugar level in the blood. By giving a long-term feeling of satiety, it eliminates the body's desire to eat in the evening and the desire for junk food. How to make honey and baking soda mixture. Add a tablespoon of baking soda powder to a bowl, add a tablespoon of honey, which is more liquid than normal, and mix. Leave the paste-like mixture for a day. Waiting in the sun increases its benefit. Eat the mixture you keep the next day before going to bed at night. It is recommended to make this mixture fresh every day for the night the next day. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support the videos. I wish you to be healthier.